children, today we are going to start with chapter 6, that is coastal plain and island. We have eastern coastal plain and western coastal plain. We have two types of island also, Lakshadweep Island and Andaman and Nicobar Island. So let's study them one by one. Here you will identify the following picture. So water is surrounded. So first let me show you over here. This is your western coastal plain and this is your eastern coastal plain. And we have two islands, Lakshadweep Island which lies in Arabian Sea, Andaman and Nicobar Island which lies in the Bay of Bengal. So water surrounds India on three sides and the coast is a vast stretch of land which meets the sea. India has a long and beautiful coastline which scales the whole length of Indian peninsula. Indian coastline stretches to about 7,000 kilometers of land from Gujarat in the west to West Bengal. So coastal plains is divided into two parts, western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain. And where they meet? Kanyakumari at the south, right? So let's study about the western coastal plain. We have divided western coastal plain into different parts. Gujarat coast in the North India. We have Konkan coast in Central India and Malabar coast. Gujarat coast कहाँ lie करता है आपका Northern India में. As you all know that it lies between Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Khambhat. ये थोड़ा broad है, flat है, and here you will see the mineral oil wells. From here we goes to the Koili oil refinery. The people here grow cotton, groundnuts and tobacco. This area has the biggest cotton and textile industry. We have Kandla and Okha. What are these? These are the two major seaports. Then we have Konkan coast in Central India. It is not as broad as Gujarat coast and land is rocky and uneven here. Some hills extend into the sea. They are threat to the ships as ships may collide with them. Right? In order to keep ships away from such danger, what you have to do? You have to build lighthouses over there. And we have seen they are the tall pillar-like structure towers with the bright beam of light. Right? And the biggest port city at this coast is Mumbai. And we have oil fields like Bombay High also lie here. इसको हम सागर सम्राट भी कहते हैं. What do we call it? Sagar Samrat. Now Malabar coast in southern India. What it's received? Heavy rainfall. The climate here is humid, rice, coconut, banana, cashew nut, cardamom, pepper and cloves. They are grown here. The coast is known as its lagoon, which is a saltwater lake formed by the main sea. And what it do? It cuts. जो sea होता है वो cut करता है land को और वो क्या एक form करता है? Lake-like structure. Right? Then we have eastern coastal plain, which is divided into Coromandel coast and northern Sircars. So Coromandel coast की बात करें तो rainfall जो होती है वो as much as in western coastal plain इतनी नहीं होती है. Rice, sugarcane, cotton, tobacco, these are the important crops. Chennai, which lies on this coast. And we have other important place also like Rameshwaram and Pondicherry. We have Krishna, Kaveri and Godavari river जो क्या form करते हैं? Delta form करते हैं इस coast पे. And what is delta? It is the mouth of the river from where it forms many branches. Then we have northern Sircars. What is this? The river Mahanadi enters this plain. Rice, sugarcane, cotton, tobacco are grown here. These crops are grown here because water is available in plenty. पानी बहुत ज़्यादा plenty में available है. विशाखापट्टनम main port है and it is a ship building yard. ये बहुत बड़ा एक ship building yard है. Next, the climate कैसा है यहाँ पे? Pleasant है and the climate remains moderate. It means it is neither very hot in summer nor cold. यहाँ पे जो बारिश होती है वो किस मंथ में होती है? जून, जुलाई, August and September. Right? So Gujarat is the largest producer. Then we have Iceland. India has an Iceland. We have two islands, Lakshadweep Island and Andaman and Nicobar Island. So what is Iceland? It is a land which is surrounded by, it is a piece of land which is surrounded by water on three sides. Right? So first is Andaman and Nicobar. 572 small islands. There are few people live on them. Thick vegetation of forests are found here. Basically, अगर हम बात करें तो जो ये आइसलैंड है ये कैसे है? हिली है. Next is Lakshadweep Island, which lies in the Arabian Sea, and they are much closer to the land than the Andaman and Nicobar Island. And these islands are small and flat. कैसे हैं? छोटे हैं, flat and they are just above 36 in number. And Andaman and Nicobar Island जो हैं, जो Andaman and Nicobar Island है, which are 300 people live only about 10 islands. कम 10 आइसलैंड ऐसे हैं जहाँ पे लोग रहते हैं. So this is all about your coastal plains and Iceland. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.